Alright, so what's going on, guys? So today we're gonna replace this audio this connector with this one. Alright, so now we're gonna remove the connector from our screen, our actual motherboard that we're gonna replace with the donor board one. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it heat up a little bit, and we're gonna kind of flow the board a little bit. Try not to knock any of these components off, and just kind of lift this thing here out. I'm thinking about actually redoing the connector on the screen also. I'll show you that. Which is this. Looks a little ate up right there. So I'm thinking about redoing that, but I probably want it up there. Probably just leave it indeed down all the way they're not moving. Those ones are solid. Looks a lot nicer. Try to perfect it, that's when something goes wrong, so do my best to leave it. Okay. And this is a Samsung Galaxy S6 connector. and let's just see if we got any movements. Okay. Alright guys, alright, so I'm back. So I did go ahead and just get a different screen, only because I think that that's a screen issue, and I wanted to make sure that it, so there's a connector that we replaced, okay, same phone, same everything. So we're going to go ahead and test this connector and make sure that this connector is actually working properly. And there it is, the screen clips right in, okay. And let's go ahead and boot this phone up. And there we go. So that connector is working perfectly fine. It's probably the screen, okay, on that one that's damaged. We're gonna find out though. So what I'm gonna do next is, I'm gonna replace that connector on that screen because I think the connector is faulty also. So here we go. So this is the connector that's currently on here, and like I said, it's kind of chewed up, and I kind of beat on this one a little bit for no reason. Just kind of in a rush to get this customer out the door, and in the middle of my rush, I believe I damaged. If I didn't damage the LCD, then it's definitely that connector. So we're just going to take this thing off, and we're going to remove this connector, and we're going to replace it with one from a donor. So I'm going to get another connector here from another phone, well, not another phone, but this screen that the customer had broke. I'm going to take this connector off and replace it and put it on this one. So this one looks a lot nicer than that one, okay? Okay, that looks good right there. And most of this stuff that I do, guys, it's not, this is for practice. So I do have a replacement for the customer, but I'm going to practice this and try to see how well it works. If it works, then it works. If not, then I have a replacement that I'm ready to do. So don't do this and not have, a backup plan. Don't, if this is your last option, I suggest that you, not do this. Just go ahead and buy a screen first for your customer, and then worry about doing this, like as a practice or something like that. So I'm gonna tap down this edge first, or these edges, any one of them. There are two, and then I'm gonna float the rest on. So that edge, and it doesn't have to be perfect right now. I just wanted to